We're back. So literally now I'm just pulled over to Winslow. I am actually running late this morning as I had a few jobs to check on this morning and set the lads up, make sure everyone was happy. I had to set out the measurements for a step for our weighing. Luke's pretty much snagging and completing a job over in Hazel Grove, and literally I'm in Wilmslow with me, Chris, Gaz, Joe and our little Jack. So literally, oh god, so I just noticed now the timber's on the skip, so I didn't think that was due today for the back lean-to roof. So yeah, there's a lean-to roof we're going to be putting on this job this week. We've also got a bit of steel work that Chris has started upstairs, so he's just propping and dropping everything. And Joe and Gaz and our Jack are literally getting the fascias on the main roof of a roof we built, I think it's about a week and a half ago, on the last video anyway. And yeah, we're going to get out now. We're going to crack on. We're going to literally, there's about a 2 metre section of the back scaffolding that I need to strip out because I need to build my lean-to roof, and that's in the way. So I'm going to get out now, get the spanners out, I'm going to drop that with Joe and literally start setting out this back roof. Right, so let's just get out the van now and I'm walking through. The lads are all on the brew. And literally, there's this bit of back section of scaffolding now I need to strip out. Got a few genies to move as well, so we've got a nice working space. I'm just going to throw the camera around now just to show you. So as you see this bit of section of scaffolding now, I'm going to strip this back and put a rail in there. So basically the scaffolding is just on this side now, just so they can finish the fascia and soffit, because they're just finishing this back section here, then that can come out. And there's a lean-to roof to go on this part here with 4 Velux windows. And yeah, we need to just move all this crap here where they put this bifold steel on over the weekend. Bit of a tidy up, set the trestles and planks up, and away I go. Tomorrow, flying off. Right, so that's it now. Scaffolding has been taken down. We are good to crack on with this now. All I'm going to do is get a plate across there shortly. I'm going to set some trestles and planks up here, trestles and planks here, and I'll have a few runners so I can get either side of the thing. Chris is now just literally bringing all the timber up around the back so we can cut everything around the back, so we're not carrying it from the front, and Carl's bringing it around. And basically, yeah, I'm going to literally now spend the next couple of hours just setting up properly, and then I'm just going to start cutting this up. I'm actually looking forward to getting on this watertight by Wednesday.
You on? Close now with the brickwork, the face of the brick. Right, for these. That's alright, isn't it? I've never used that before in my life.
Right, so we've now got the pole plate on the top there, as you can see behind me. The scaff's all ripped down. We're good to go. Bit of a messing around this morning, make sure all the wall plates were flat, level, squared up off the plate. And yeah, literally now we're flying now. I'm literally going to start cutting up my first spar, my first cob in there now, my template, and I'm going to just make sure it works. Check it in a few places on the roof basically, and basically then I'm going to start I'm going to mark everything out, set it all out, and I'm just going to hammer all this in and get it. I want all this built by the end of play tomorrow. We had a bit of a slow start this morning, so I got here late because I was checking on all my jobs. And what's happening there? Yeah, and basically I had to strip a big section of the scaffolding down, and I ain't no scaffolder, so me and Joe took that down. We had to secure the top so the apprentice doesn't fall off the scaffolding. You know what apprentices are like. But we are flying now. I quite enjoy a good lean-to roof. We're a few trestles short, so we have to pick some of them up later so we can get a full run. And yeah, that's it. We're going to start setting up a few time lapses. I'm going to throw Cal on the camera to get a bit of B-roll, and we're going to start throwing this in. Let's see how we get on, shall we? Right, so as you can see now, we've got most of the commons on. Just started cutting in the ladder on the left hand side. Gaz has just given me the measurement now for the right hand side, which is 425, is it, Gaz? Yeah. Yeah, so we're going to cut the ladder in on that side on the chop saw because it's nice and easy. And basically we've got 4 Veluxes, so you can see all the doubles that are going in. They're all cut up and ready to be fitted. There's 4 common spars left. They're going to go in between my Veluxes, so I've just cut them up when I was cutting up the others. And basically, we're going to get all the ladder in. We're going to get the barges on, and basically then I'm going to set out my Veluxes. I'm going to set my Veluxes out so they work to full tile, so so it's nice and easy. Gauge to the roof is gauge of the roof. And yeah, we're flying on this one. Should be done today. Doing alright today though, isn't it?
What is it, Ryan?
Ah,
What is it?
what's what?
Brickwork. What work?
Hang on, buddy.
Hang on, buddy.
Don't tell the bricklayers that, do you?
No. Hey, that roof looks alright though for a bricky, doesn't it? Bloody hell.
Brickies are the best trade though, aren't they? Us brickies. Right, guys. I'm going to give this 6 inches and put a 2-inch on it. Kids, won't be trying this at home. I'm going to get some hate for this a ladder using the circle.
Stay in school.
So I have a chat with a little project update or what?
Go on then.
So as you see now, we've basically we set all the Veluxes out. Our first trimmer for the Veluxes are all set out to a line, so you know what I mean. We like it nice and perfect. Then what? There are 780 by 980 Velux, so we've done an 800 by a metre opening. We've also what we're going to do now is we're going to start anything that's a double is getting a bolt in it. Anything that's anything that needs a hanger is getting hangered by Chris. And we're just basically now just finishing off around the Veluxes. Tiles just arrived around the front, Veluxes and the felt and batten for the roofers, fascias. So by tomorrow this will all be watertight. I thought it's going to take me 2 days to be honest, and it's only took me a day. So we're quite impressed really. I'm happy. And we'll be starting to install that steel after tomorrow, the big one. So I'm looking forward to it.
So the Velux windows have arrived. The roofing tiles for the back have also arrived just now. Just going to show you guys right here. So they've just all been delivered, sealed, ready to go round. Probably get them round tomorrow. Veluxes will be put somewhere safe throughout the way. And yeah.
Right, guys. There ain't many 16-year-olds that just get thrown here. You put that in, is there really what he's doing? No. What's wrong with that?
Best bet in the old Jack is he thinks he works harder with me than he does with you, and that just makes my day, that. Right. He's only ever said it once, but I'm going to dine out on that for the rest of my life.
Show that, Cal. Chris? Yeah. Centre on that as well.
Yeah.
Quite a bit off it, no, we're not.
I know it wouldn't be.
Pardon?
I know it would be right. Say that, like, bring that line out now. Get out your way. Right, so that's it now. This roof is now pretty much nearly complete. Chris and Gaz are now just finishing off the bolts, hangers, basically going around just making it all, doing all the little pretty bits now, keeping it all uniformed with the bolts and stuff. There is a course of brick that we need to come and finish tomorrow just before we put the fascias and soffits on, which is along the barge here, straight across one course. And we've just got the pikes to brick up as well, which is what he's going to start on tomorrow. But we're going to start felt and battening and getting this roof tiled tomorrow. Velux is in. If he gets the pikes up, we're going to get the fascias and soffits on. And yeah, this roof will be, basically, this roof will be complete, fully watertight tomorrow. and we've got the steels to crack on with them. But again, guys, if this will be the end of this video this week, if you like what you see, please like, subscribe, and I'll see you all next week.